It's a shame on the Muslim-Ummah. When they're killing innocent people, breaking all international laws of war crime. Nothing. Little protest here and there, that's it. Will we pass the test? They are doing Fard Kifaya, and the most powerful country in the world, USA, is supporting them with the best fighters and Iron Dome everything, and yet they are fearlessly fighting them. Why? Why? They have money, they have power, they have Allah. This is the implication of Tawheed. Live example, we hear in the stories, Sahaba, etc. Yes, Alhamdulillah, highest level. But now Allah is giving us an example in the people of Gaza. The Muslims of Gaza, most of them, almost all, if not everyone. They are giving us an example of what Tawheed is. What is its implication? We are living in air condition, mashallah. If the air condition goes off, then we start sweating and we start complaining. Their houses have been destroyed. 1 million people have been displaced. What is the result? Someone asked me a question. I have a session every fortnight, ask Dr. Zakir, that why is Allah not helping the Palestinians to win the war against Israel? The answer is long, I'll just give a shot. For Allah to make them win, easy, kun fayakun. Allah is testing them. These Palestinians, almost all of them are passing with flying colors. Allah is testing us. What are we doing? What are we doing? It's a shame on the Muslim-Ummah. When they're killing innocent people, breaking all international laws of war crime. Nothing. Little protest here and there, that's it. Will we pass the test? You have to answer yourself. On the day of judgment, when Allah will ask you, what have you done? What have I done? The Palestinians of Gaza, they have passed the test with flying colors. What about us? It's an introspection. So the higher level of Tawheed you have. Oh, if I support Palestinian, my Facebook will be stopped. My YouTube will be stopped. And there are, according to me, if 25,000 Palestinians have died, more than 25,000 non-Muslims all over the world have accepted Islam only because of watching the clips of Palestine, of Gaza. Those Western or non-Muslim, they are thinking, what is the Iman they have? I want to have that faith. What type of religion they are following? Who is this Allah? Which book are they following? They're starting in the Quran. In less than 3 months, more than 25, I'm saying more than 25,000 for safety because I'm a man of figures. It may be much higher. Much higher. According to the president of the European Council, only in France alone, in the first 2 months, 20,000 accepted Islam. I'm not quoting him because I cannot verify statements, so I don't quote it. But I know, being a man of media. And if more than 1 million people have been displaced in Gaza, more than 2 million lives have been affected in Gaza, do you know tens of millions of non-Muslims that started supporting Palestine have come closer to Islam because of the Palestinians? Never in the history of humanity has it happened that millions of non-Muslims in Western countries, in America, in Europe, all over the world, non-Muslims coming out in protest supporting Palestine, the Palestinians. Allah's plan. So this is the implication of Tawheed. If you have faith in Allah, if you believe in Tawheed, whatever comes, you say Alhamdulillah. A person on Tawheed can never be disappointed. Happiness is a state of mind. He's always happy, always thankful.